Welcome everybody to Ontario Motor Sales. Today we're going to take you on a tour of this 2018 Hyundai Kona Essential hatchback. Now this has only 138,000 kilometers on it, is a one-owner vehicle with no accident history, and it is in great condition. The Kona, I say, is a hatchback. I guess it's considered a compact SUV, but it really has the styling cue of a hatchback. Either way, it's very practical, it's got lots of room inside, and it is really good on fuel. Now that is thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine that is underneath the hood, automatic transmission. You can expect fuel economy in the 7-liter per 100-kilometer range on this Kona, so it's really going to save you a lot of money at the pumps. You can see from the side profile has lots of nice contrast material on the exterior, so nice white paint, and then you get that gray kind of plastic look around the fenders, but it looks rugged. It's not looking cheap, it just looks nice and rugged, gives it that cool styling cue. Now up front we have 16-inch alloy wheels, good looking rubber on there as well, and we have roof rails up top, so if you want to put crossbars up there, you certainly could do that, and then you could load up the roof with bikes, canoes, kayaks, whatever it is. If you're outdoorsy, go ahead, why not? Integrated rear spoiler, really cool tail lights on the back end, especially with that nice reflector just below it. Again, the styling on the Kona I think is really sharp. Now in the trunk, you'll see there's lots of room back here. We've also got the privacy cover up top, which you could take out if you like, and then you can fold down those rear seats if you need to as well, in case you have longer objects to go inside. Coming around the passenger side to show you all 4 corners of the Kona, we are going to take a look inside as well. And then up front, again, it kind of mimics the rear with these thin little LED daytime running lights, and then our headlights down below, and a nice looking front grille. Now with the purchase of this Kona, you're going to get 4 free oil changes from us here at OMS. Just a nice way of saying thank you for doing business with us. In the back, I've got both seats all the way back to show you there's still legroom back here. You'd have to be like 6'3", 6'4" to sit that far back in the front, so still lots of room. I love the pattern on the seats. It reminds me of like a chef's coat, but I think it's really sharp. You got a nice big center armrest that folds down as well, and this is a non-smoker vehicle. Now up front, same cool looking seats. These are heated seats, and it is a height adjustable driver's seat. A lot of compliments are that you sit up nice and high in the Kona. I'm going to turn down the AC. I had that cranked. Sorry about that. All right, so now that we're in front here, have a look around at the cabin. It's really nicely laid out. We've got our radio controls, Bluetooth controls on the wheel, cruise control on the other side. The odometer reads 138,591 kilometers. You can see the fuel economy right now is posted at 8.3, but again, you can get that lower, and by doing that, you just have to simply change the drive mode. So you put this drive mode into Eco, you'll see that down below, Eco Sport, and then, so right there, and now you're gonna get some really great fuel economy. Automatic headlights with this, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a nice touchscreen system up front as you can see, and then when we put it into reverse, a really clear rear view camera. Below that is the heating and air conditioning controls, more USB ports and some 12-volt ports, and then our center console here with our heated seats. That's all right there. And then last but not least is our vehicle file, and I want to show you here that we've got, there's our 4 free oil changes, and a one-owner vehicle, no accident history, and 13 service records as well. That's great that you can be able to come and take a look at all the maintenance that was previously done on this Kona. But if you were looking for that really good economy car, it's gonna be fantastic on mileage, still got lots of room, and it looks this sharp. Come take a look here at Ontario Motor Sales, bring the family, take it out for a drive. You're gonna absolutely love this one. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon at Ontario Motor Sales.